confession video, so here we go.
How this is gonna work is we'll tell a confession that everybody needs to know. Alex, you start first.
I still like my ex-boyfriend.
I still like my ex-boyfriend too. Yeah, his name's Hunter.
Lindsay.
Another confession is I have a really big problem with biting my lip.
I have an addiction to Starbucks, so I literally have to have it. Like, no joke. I get it every day, almost.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, another confession is I am in love with thigh socks. Yes. Okay, go.
I have an addiction to music, but I have to have music no matter what. Even during TCAP, I snuck and listened to music.
Keep going. Another one of my confessions is I do not work out. This just naturally comes.
I have a confession that I hate school and wish schools would burn.
Good
Oh,
gracious.
the tornado just fly through and hit all the schools and then so. Okay, another confession is I hate Valentine's Day. It is too lovey, and it especially sucks when you're a loner.
We all know that.
Did I tell you to talk?
Alex, go.
I knew this. I forgot what I was
I
going to say.
called her Ashley.
Quit swearing, Maddie.
I'm sorry.
Another confession of mine is that I snort every time I laugh.
So do
I have a confession that I can't think of the name. What it is.
Bill. Surfboard.
There's a freaking car.
By the way, this is our first YouTube video
Together.
and it's confusing, okay? So don't judge, just love.
I have a confession that I'm addicted to my phone.
We know you have a confession. This is the whole video.
No.
I have a confession that I am obsessed with Instagram.
My confession is that I can't get off my phone. I'm 24/7 on it and on Snapchat.
You just said that.
Shut up, camera woman. Go on!
It's sped
My
up.
confession is I have an obsession with rapping.
I have
Is that
an
in
obsession
the-
of going to the mall and spending money.
I cannot save money.